Recipe search didn't fade, it collapsed. 60% of Google searches now end with 0 clicks. And food was the thing to go. Yeah, that click you used to make to get the actual recipe, most people don't make it anymore. By the end of this, you'll know exactly who killed recipe search, who's quietly winning what replaced it, and one twist nobody saw coming, including, weirdly, Google itself. Stick around, because that twist flips the whole story on its head. Here's how it happened in about 18 months. First, Google bolted AI overviews on top of nearly half of all food and recipe searches. Q1 2026, 47%. Start of 2025, under 8. The answer now shows up before you ever reach a single website. Second, ChatGPT. It crossed 900 million weekly users this month. Asking a machine what to make for dinner stopped feeling nerdy and started feeling normal. 2 shifts, 1 casualty, the 10 blue links. So what replaced search? Something that doesn't work like search at all. Try typing this into a search box. Something quick with the rotisserie chicken I bought yesterday. Not Italian, that my kid will actually eat. That's 5 constraints in one breath. Old search hands you 200,000 results and says, good luck filtering. Conversational AI hands you one answer that already clears all 5. The recipe isn't found anymore. It's composed, stitched together on the spot just for you. But here's the uncomfortable part. Nobody wins this cleanly. ChatGPT has the broadest brain, best for the open question, what should I cook? Perplexity always shows its sources, best when you need to know where a recipe even came from. Gemini is the default on every Android phone. Claude is the one that actually explains technique. Each one owns exactly one corner of the kitchen, and not a single one of them remembers what's in your fridge. And when the machine composes instead of remembers, you get this. Food creators already have a name for it. Frankenstein recipes. Ingredients ripped from 3 different sources and bolted together into something nobody has ever actually cooked. In January, Adam Gallagher, who runs the food blog Inspired Taste, went on NPR to warn this slop is flooding the internet. The poster child? A real, circulating, AI-generated recipe called Crunchy Fried Cheese Stuffed Doritos. It exists in exactly one place, AI slop farms. Nobody has ever made it. Nobody should. Now, the twist I promised. You'd assume this is a total wipeout for human food blogs. It's not. When researchers asked people what they actually trust at the moment they're about to cook, the answer was overwhelming. A human's recipe. AI took the front door. Humans still own the kitchen. And here's the kicker. Google blinked. On March 4th, Google's own VP of Search announced they were retuning AI mode to push credit back to recipe creators. The platform that killed recipe search is now trying to unkill the people who make the recipes. So if you make recipes for a living, what do you actually do? I know what you're thinking. Panic or quit. Neither. The 2026 playbook runs 2 layers at once. 1, keep the page that already ranks. Clean schema markup, real author bylines, valid structured data. If your page doesn't validate, the AI literally can't see you, even when the reader is standing right on it. 2, show up where the question gets asked. Recipe APIs, aggregators, the data the engines actually trust. SEO isn't dead. It's just not enough on its own anymore. Which brings us back to the question under all of this. Once the AI hands you a recipe, then what? ChatGPT can tell you what to cook. It can't check what's in your pantry, slot it into your week, order the 3 things you're missing, or stand beside you while you actually cook it. That's a different job. That's the difference between answering a question and running a kitchen. Other apps just run on your phone. Recipy runs your kitchen. The general assistants are the front door. The cooking app is everything behind it. Next time, I'm digging into the messy one. Can an AI really plan a whole week of meals around a schedule that never repeats? If this rewired how you think about search, subscribe. It genuinely helps.
Subscribe. Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.